Hey guys, it's me, Burger Boy Cooks, back with his first video. You got
Hi.
Logan. It's a bit yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a steak, and I forgot to record the first part.
Where's the garlic?
I'm kidding. I recorded it's right there. So we got the
like the garlic, like the actual garlic.
The actual garlic is
I need to record.
It's right there.
Where?
Right there. Okay, so we have currently seasoned our steak that I didn't.
Gotta use all of this.
Yeah, I recorded in the wrong format. So we put pepper on it, put salt on it, and that on it. It's like
roasted onion and garlic.
Roasted onion and garlic infused. And did you put on this garlic still as well?
It's just garlic. Yeah.
Okay, and that garlic. And then we've also got that garlic. And now he is currently heating up the pan.
I have to leave soon.
Yep. Let's wait for the pan. Okay, so we have put the olive oil in the pan.
And now it's a smoking hot pan. So
Now it's smoking hot, so we're putting in the steak. Oh my goodness, look at that. Dude, I want to eat that up right now.
It doesn't seem like it's getting that hot enough.
Did you put in the butter?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay.
Before you do that.
Okay, guys, I don't really know how to make steak, so I'm trusting the professional here.
Yep.
Definitely Logan.
Yep.
So got the butter block right there. Oh my god, it already
fan
smells
on?
pretty good. Okay, yeah, I'll put the fan on. So now you could probably barely hear anything. That's because we put the vent on to the smoke. Does that make it cook better?
Crap.
So
I wish I used like better tongs here.
He's a professional, guys.
I am not a professional, guys. Don't follow anything I'm doing.
Oh my god. Okay. Is that cooked?
Yeah,
Is that medium?
probably.
Okay. So, half of it's already cooked, guys. So now he's cooking the sides here, I think.
What am I doing? There you go.
So it's a little burnt.
It looks terrible because it's not a cast iron pan and not over a gas stove, which is what I'm used to working with.
So it's currently cooking. I'm guessing we're not using butter in this recipe.
It's really smoky. What are you talking about?
Okay. So we are basically deep frying a steak right here, guys.
Not really.
We're cooking it in oil, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay.
The butter
That boy
going
there.
in there. Oh my god, that looks yummy.
I know.
So now he's putting in putting in a bunch of garlic. Holy crap, that's gonna put a lot of smoke.
Yeah, now you might want to open the window here.
Yep. Okay, guys. So I'm currently gonna open up the window before someone calls the fire department.
I need this spoon.
Okay.
What?
So,
Why did you stop recording?
I didn't stop recording.
Okay, good. Good man. That was the time.
So the windows are open. Now, he has put in the garlic and the butter, and he's putting in the thyme. The other side may be a bit burnt, I'm gonna be completely honest.
Nope.
He is basting the steak right now, guys. Holy Jesus, this looks delicious.
You look delicious.
What the flippers?
Okay, at least it's bubbling and not burning, so we're still on.
Yep, bubbling and not burning, that's good. Look at that action, baby. Oh my goodness.
This might taste like straight up nothing, I'm not gonna
He's
honest.
currently trying to make this a medium steak. I don't know if he can.
No, because this is a really weird freaking pan.
Yeah, so he's using a really weird pan because we don't normally cook steak in pan. We normally cook on a barbecue, but I don't eat barbecue steak because it's nasty.
That's
So,
such crap.
I don't know what he's doing now. He's turned off the element, guys. He's letting it sear. It's cooking on the side while it's still hot.
Do the fat cap. This is definitely well done, I'm sorry.
Oh god. This steak's gonna be delicious. I'm totally gonna be able to eat it.
Just lather that around. Is it off? Yeah, it is.
Are you gonna take it off now?
Yeah.
Okay, Logan is
Where's
gonna
that? Can
take
you
the
give me a
steak
plate?
off now. What?
Can you give me a plate?
Why don't you just put it on the cutting board?
Okay. I mean, the dirty cutting board that has all the meat pieces.
So I know you guys can't really see anything right now. So that's because I have to get a plate. And
The steak
boom!
looks mid.
Look at that steak. Get that off the hot thing, whatever. Wowzeroni.
There you go.
It is buble. Get it off the hot.
We did it, guys. It looks super mid, but
Super delicious, guys. I told you he was a professional.
K-knifeies.
I told you he was the best at making steak.
Yep. Totally. Alright, anyway, let's go eat
All right,
this. Grab the
so
Fiji water!
Let's teleport. Steak we got. So this is a steak we got. My mom wants to have a bite. I don't know why. But, yeah, we're going to try it. But first, we're going to give my mom a bite right here. See that cut in? Let's see how it cooked.
It is medium well.
So we got it medium well.
But that's just because we didn't, it's not the fat, is it? No. Okay, we're good.
Okay, so we're going to go feed it to my mom, and I'll tell you guys how and I'll record her telling you guys how she likes it. So now we're going to have my mom try the steak. Is it good?
Tasty. Tastes good to me.
Woohoo! Mama approved. Okay, so this is my first time ever trying a steak with the fat on it, without being rendered off. So,
It is rendered off. What the hell are you talking about?
we got Fiji water. He has his over there.
Fiji!
So, let's try a bite. Hey, the fat section not that bad.
Exactly.
So, I will say, so my mom's interrupting me. So, I am going to say something though. It's a lot better than it looks. So,
True.
it looks burnt to hell, but it's actually not that
You
bad.
just scrape all that off, though, and then it's like normal.
It's got really good flavor. I actually like it. I'm going to give it a solid 8.5 out of 10.
Let's go, boys.
What do you give your own steak?
4. I've made better ones.
This is Fiji water. I'm going to rate it 1 out of 10. It tastes like tap water, okay? Don't
'Cause it is.
buy Fiji water. I don't care if they say it comes from Yakwara in the Fiji Islands. It is tap water. Okay, guys. This steak is good, though. Is that just fat?
No.
Okay. I'm missing my half. Okay. So I think this steak was pretty good. I'm going to finish eating this. This is actually pretty good. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this first video.
It's pretty short. It's a short one.
Yeah.
Just like Remy. Remy, if you're watching this, I love you.
Don't forget to like,
And subscribe.
subscribe to the new channel. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.